A beginner's guide to cryptocurrency trading. Are you ready to start your cryptocurrency journey but feel overwhelmed by all the jargon and options out there? Today I'll walk you through everything you need to know to start trading like a pro. Even if you've never bought crypto before, let's simplify it step by step. Stick around because your first trade is only a few minutes away. Welcome to the Vienna Online Trading Hub. I'm Happy Kapoor, and here we make trading simple, exciting, and accessible to everyone. If you're new to cryptocurrency, you've come to the right place. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand how crypto works, but also be ready to make your very first trade. Let's dive in. Cryptocurrency is digital money that lives on a technology called blockchain. Imagine a global spreadsheet that keeps track of every transaction, completely secure and transparent. The most popular crypto, Bitcoin, started it all, but there are thousands of cryptocurrencies today, each with its own unique purpose. Think of crypto as borderless money. You can send it anywhere, anytime, without needing a bank. Cool, right? These are the top 3 most traded cryptocurrencies: Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Tether. Let's start with the heavy hitters. Bitcoin, BTC, the first and most valuable cryptocurrency, often called digital gold. Ethereum, ETH, known for its smart contracts, it powers a whole ecosystem of decentralized apps. Tether, USDT, a stablecoin pegged to the US dollar, making it less volatile than most cryptos. Quick tip, stick to these when you're starting. They're the most traded and easiest to understand. Steps on how to get started. Step 1. You need a wallet to store your cryptocurrency. For beginners, I recommend software wallets like Trust Wallet or MetaMask, easy to use and secure. Step 2. Choose a beginner-friendly exchange like Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken. These platforms let you buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies with just a few clicks. Remember, always enable security features like two-factor authentication to keep your account safe. To trade smartly, you'll need the right tools. CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko for tracking cryptocurrency prices. TradingView for chart analysis and market insights. Demo accounts, practice trading without risking real money. Pro tip, start with a demo account to build confidence before using your hard-earned cash. Register with a truth trading platform and try a live demo on the trading platform. Let's make your first trade. Using a demo account on Binance, I'll show you how to buy Ethereum. Go to the Trading tab. Select ETH/USDT as your trading pair. Enter the amount you want to buy. Hit buy and boom, you've made your first trade. See, that wasn't so scary. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.